Hi everyone, welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we're going to have a look at the Logitech H650e, a general business headset which is in the series of the Logitech for business headsets. And this headset is a Teams optimized device, so don't mix it up with a Teams certified device. This is a Teams optimized device. It's a pretty basic USB headset for business, so let's go into it. Let's unbox. Alright, the Logitech H650e. So, let's unbox it. What's in the box? Well, immediately you will see that it is all packed up in a little bag. A portable bag as well, as Logitech does with every headset. It gives you a nice bag to transport your headset in. And if you open that up, you will immediately find the headset. So as you can see, the headset, really basic one, nice little small earmuffs, also really comfortable headband as well, which makes it really comfortable, really nice to wear, while it is really a standard business headset. The microphone as well, you can pull it both ways, so you can either choose to have the microphone on your left side or on your right side of the of your face. And then you have a USB-A connector. There is no other dongle included, so there is no USB-A to USB-C or anything. It's just USB-A, and there are also call controls on the wire as well, to mute, to start or pick up the call, and to turn up or to turn down the volume. In the bag as well, there is one nice extra thing as well. You also have the possibility to attach a clip-on as well. So if you have a long cable and you don't want it to be around your neck or just loose, you can also attach this clip-on, so you can attach the cable to your t-shirt or to your clothing, whatever you want to. So really nice, really slick. I'm going to plug this in my computer now, and I will continue talking with the sound of this headset itself. Alright, so I'm talking now with the headset as well. As you can hear, really clear voice, even for a standard business headset as well. It doesn't really matter here where your microphone is put. It's in front of your mouth, of course, but it doesn't really matter if you have it a bit lower or a bit higher. Yeah, higher is of course a bit weird, but if you have it all the way down, it doesn't really impact the input, the voice that you need to have. Also, again, the call buttons, if you want to mute, you just press it and the button becomes red. In comparison, there is no automatic mute if you put the microphone up, so it's really all with the buttons. But again, the buttons to mute, the buttons to make a call, to turn up the volume, to turn down the volume, and by all, it's a really light headset as well. That's one thing I need to say. It's a really light headset. I don't really feel that I'm wearing it. Yes or no? It's not a burden to wear it. It's really nice. It's really light. So yeah, really nice headset. Alright, so the Logitech H650e. Pretty basic headset, but nevertheless, it's not because it's basic it isn't good. Really nice headband, the wearing is really comfortable, the sound quality is also really decent, and it's also really handy that there are some integrated call controls in it as well. So it is a really nice option if you need a standard business headset. Really nice. And if you want to see more of these unboxings, you can find the subscribe button below. You can also find the like button below, so press it. Comment down below if you want to have any questions or if you want to ask a question, and I see you in one of my next videos.